Hello and welcome new and old subscribers. If you are a visitor, subscribe now. And if this is your first time, I'm thrilled that you're here. Let's get this Dollar Tree haul started. Can you believe this? Margaritaville Zero Sugar Strawberry Daiquiri Drink Mix and Pina Colada Drink Mix. I should have purchased this because I can make mocktails, especially with summer coming up soon. Get some crushed ice and make it kind of slushy. Fabulous, especially for the kids. And it's only 10 calories. If you purchase it from another store, it shows a 2-pack for $10. So if you cut that in half, $5. It's still a deal, and it's still at Dollar Tree because you're only paying $1.25 for 1 pack. Where you go another store, it is $5. But taking into account, sometimes when you look at this stuff online, the ones online are a little bit more expensive than what you would purchase at the store. Pure Kick Hydrate 7 electrolytes, 5 calories, 0 sugar, and there are 6 sticks in each pack. They have 2 flavors. One is Sonic's Limeade, the other one is Citrus. I actually got this because I'm trying to drink more water. And you know, plain water is whew. So this one has the electrolytes and it has flavor. So it just gives it extra flavor for you to enjoy your water. This is Juvie, I believe that's how you pronounce it. It's a rejuvenating energy drink. And there were 2 flavors. We have the watermelon lime and we have the blue raspberry. Only 5 calories, 12 ounces. And if you believe it or not, if you get at one of these stores, you can buy a pack for about $27. So if you divide that up, it would be about $2.25 for one. So at this current rate, it's a deal and a steal at Dollar Tree. These really caught my eye by Sure Fresh. They are the produce bag, but they're moisture control. This is the first time I actually noticed moisture control, especially for your vegetables. You know, you can wrap them up and put them in there. So I did purchase some. So hopefully I find out, are they truly moisture control bags? Oh my gosh, look at this. An ankle skipper. I don't want to date myself, but does anyone remember these way back when? Actually, I do. I remember making my own with like yarn, braiding it up in a cotton and putting it in a plastic bag and tying it and making my own. Similar to the ones, the knockers, but using the foot one. Something very similar. Do you remember? Now it's time for our dollar plus section. It may include one, two, or even more dollar plus items for you to enjoy. Enjoy all of these X-Shot Fast and Furious items. I don't want to say the three-letter word. I don't want to get bonked. But you see what they are? Toys. They're toys. Play toys. And they are $10. So there's several other ones. So enjoy them. Well, look at this. A metal sun wall decor. Gorgeous. You get kind of that green color, rustic, with a copper look to it. Absolutely gorgeous. And then you get this garden stake that says welcome. Look like with those daisies. I think those are daisies. If I'm wrong, that's okay. Well, everyone, this is all I have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Subscribe. Thank you so much. Like I always say, be blessed until the next time, and be better than yesterday.